I'm Carly from Day One, and today I'm going to show you how to make an avocado, lettuce, tomato, turkey wrap. This is a recipe from CalFresh Healthy Living. It has 4 out of the 5 food groups and it's a great idea for lunch or for a snack. MyPlate is a reminder to eat something from each of the 5 food groups in your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. MyPlate's a healthy eating style that guides you to make half of your meal fruits and vegetables. MyPlate doesn't have to look like the image with foods separated. Ingredients can be mixed together like I'll be showing you in the wrap. The ingredients you'll need are a flour tortilla, turkey slices, romaine lettuce, tomato, avocado, and ranch dressing. I couldn't find ranch at my supermarket, but this wrap came out great without it. My cup of romaine was already chopped, so I left it in the fridge to stay chilled. Tomatoes are fruits, but can also be considered vegetables depending on how you prepare them. Sometimes they're tricky for me to slice. You're going to want to use a small tomato and end up with half a cup of chopped tomato. During this step, you would add the lettuce and tomatoes in a bowl and coat them with a tablespoon of ranch. Tomatoes have vitamin A, C, and fiber. Vitamin A keeps our eyes working, and vitamin C keeps our immune system strong and helps heal our bodies quickly. Fiber helps with digestion and keeps us feeling full. Eating enough fiber has been shown to keep our hearts healthy too. Avocado is also a fruit. Don't be fooled by its green color. The big seed in the middle is how it gets its classification. The tomato and avocado servings together make 1 cup of fruit. You only need to have another cup of fruit for the day to complete MyPlate recommendations. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats. Fats help our bodies absorb vitamins and minerals from our food. The protein in the wrap is coming from the 4 turkey slices. Protein comes from animal and plant-based foods. The lean choices of animal protein are chicken, fish, and turkey. Plant-based protein can come from beans, peas, nuts, and seeds. Proteins are building blocks for our bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. They provide a variety of nutrients that are essential for health and maintenance of your body. Be sure to have protein after being active to help repair muscles and make them stronger. Now that the filling of the wrap is ready, you'd first add the lettuce and tomato covered in ranch, then follow by adding in the chopped avocado and turkey. I used the avocado as my spread this time. Our grains section in MyPlate is being filled by the flour tortilla. Grains have fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're carbohydrates that will give us energy and help with digestion. Half of the grains you eat every day should be whole grains. Try having whole wheat bread with your breakfast or brown rice for dinner if you eat this wrap for lunch. The most important part of preparing this A.L.T.T wrap is making sure it stays together while rolling it up. I used a little too much lettuce because I like a fuller, crunchier wrap, but try your best to keep it together. All the ingredients are inside, now it's time to roll. Hold the sides of the wrap with your fingers and start tucking in the filling as you roll. Once it's in a burrito shape, get your knife and cut it into halves. Half the wrap is 1 serving. Our MyPlate is now nearly complete. Because dairy wasn't included in our meal, it's okay to make up for it later in the day. Maybe try a cup of yogurt with fruit for a snack or some cheese with crackers. I hope you enjoyed seeing how easy it is to make your own MyPlate and get fruits, veggies, grains, and protein together in a fresh recipe.